guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be looking at the absolute best crypto stocks. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, we talk about everything money. Stocks, money management, trading, investing. So subscribe, join the team. So let's dive into this one. Now the main reason why I absolutely love investing into crypto stocks is because they hold billions of dollars in crypto. Not to mention the company that we're going to be breaking down today is highly invested into technology, data, software, and artificial intelligence, which is some of the best sectors to invest in. Artificial intelligence itself is rated to grow at 37% per year for the next 10 years. So if I can make some money off of that plus the crypto, this is going to be an absolute home run. But now the stock that we're going to be covering today, and probably the best crypto stock out there, is actually MicroStrategy. Now, like I said, this company is highly invested into artificial intelligence, data, software, and a variety of other tech-related things. But one of the main reasons why I absolutely love MicroStrategy is because they hold over $4 billion. Over $4 billion in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. And guys, that is like how much their total market cap is $4 billion. So it's absolutely insane. Not to mention, about 2 days ago, they just bought over 5,000 Bitcoin, over $147 million that they just invested into Bitcoin, which is insane. Now, yes, their stock price does highly reflect the price of Bitcoin. You guys can clearly see the correlation between Bitcoin's chart and MicroStrategy chart. They're very, very similar. Now, looking at MicroStrategy's fundamentals, you guys will notice that, yes, we have seen a little decline in revenue. Now, the reason why I think that is because crypto in general over the past year has been pretty volatile, so it doesn't come at a huge surprise that we've seen the revenue down a little bit. But looking at their net profit margin, that is up over 100%. So that's one of the most important indicators for long-term growth, is how much money is left over for profit. With that being up that much, I think that this is a great pick for the future. But by far, the main reason why I absolutely love MicroStrategy is because right now, looking at the stock price, you guys will notice that it did have a tendency to get sell-off. So there was old resistance near and around $316. Now recently we did get a sell-off back down to that point. I think it's going to use that old resistance as new support. We see this all the time. It's textbook technical analysis. So I think right now represents a great opportunity to buy MicroStrategy because the stock was trading over $400 a couple years ago, and now we've gotten sell-off all the way down to about $316. So it's an absolute great investment. It's a great time to buy low and possibly sell high in the future. Now, with that being said, this company is going to be highly risky. Their risk level is very, very high. It's going to be very speculative. It's going to be volatile, and overall, higher risk often does carry higher returns, but it's still going to make your account very, very, very volatile. So the strategy that I love and I would recommend for MicroStrategy is dollar cost averaging. I know, I say it all the time on the channel, but guys, it's a great strategy for people that are looking to invest into growth stocks, into volatile companies, and more riskier assets, because you don't have to worry about buying in overvalued. You just invest consistently, and as the stock sells off, you just average down that price. So once it recovers, you make a lot more money. But with that being said, yes, right now would be a decent opportunity to look at this as a short-term swing trade. I know, it sounds crazy, but we do see some indications that old resistance does have tendency to act as new support. But we'll see what happens, guys. This is obviously all my opinion, so do your own research before you guys invest. But guys, this is my absolute best cryptocurrency pick. So we'll see you guys later. Take care.